Over the years of me doing this channel, I've developed some relationships. Artem is one of them. They found me and decided that they'd like to have me be a part of their journey and vice versa. So they sent me a pack. And we're about to get into it. These are called the loopless Barenia straps. It's incorporating that same loopless technology that they have in their sailcloth and in their new Hydroflex straps. Barenia is a French calfskin, and it's a leather that was once reserved for Hermes. The straps are Zermatt lined. Zermatt, I did some research, is a special type of lining that only comes in 2 colorways, and it is another premium leather. So Barenia on the outer side and Zermatt on the inner side. I do know this is Artem's first attempt in creating some leather products, so let's check it out. Oh, new packaging. Fantastic. All right. So the 2 colorways I got is bridal brown and saddle tan. The new packaging is nice. Today we'll be featuring my Tudor black base steel and gold and my Rolex Datejust. Let me see, this is a U serial. It's a 97 16233 Datejust with a 3135 on the inside, adorned with diamond baguette indices. This watch is very special to me. And the other watch that we're featuring in today's unboxing is my Tudor Black Bay Heritage Steel and Gold. This is a 79733, I believe. Yep, this is the Heritage case from the version 1s. They've updated the 41 mils since then with the monochrome and the burgundy dial. Let's get started with the saddle tan 20 mil. This leather feels fantastic. Yep. It's what you would expect from Artem, just because I know the intention that they put into their products. I know that they're not just willy-nilly. They do have a high level of passion for this, and I do believe that they delivered. There's a taper from 20 to 16 mil, and then there's also like a taper on this side where there's some padding up towards the lug, and then it kind of veers off. I want to say that the clasp is going to be the same clasp that you would get if you've ordered their loopless sailcloth, or if you've ordered their loopless Hydroflex. I believe this would be the same class that you get. I'm guessing I'm gonna be second to last, just like how it was before. Boom. Okay, so that's how you get that all lined up in there. Boom. There you go. Boom. Very excited for this setup because I don't have any nice like tan straps that go with my Rolex. Oh, I think I got it. All right, boom. Tenant, Argonaut. A lot of interesting comments on that watch. We'll get to that during the review, but I might have done this a little too tight. Fam. Bruv. Fam. Bruv. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in the camera for y'all. Bruv. This is that shit right here. This is that look that I've been wanting for the Datejust. This is it. That is... What? That taper, the 16 taper, it's nice and thin. Goodness gracious. This is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah, bro. Great job, Artem. This is exactly what I wanted for the Datejust, and this is serving exactly what it needs to be serving. This is fantastic. I love this. Wow. Loopless design. None of the slack hangs out. And one of my viewers pointed out something about loopless that's great, is that it saves the integrity of the material because you're not constantly poking the tang through the hole. This will help your non-metal strap materials last longer by having a system like this. That looks fantastic. That's really great. What a great option outside of the Jubilee. And it looks the part too. The leather looks fantastic. This is really great. I'm so happy with this. I'm very pleased with this combination. All right. Moving on to the bridal brown. The Zermatt lining of this strap is this, when you run your finger around the outside, has some friction. But when you flip it over, this leather on this side is nice and smooth, which is exactly what you would want for a strap, so that it doesn't tug too much. It just kind of flows over. The color on this is very nice. I can tell this is going to patina very well. This used to scare me so much when I used to put these on because I was so afraid of like eating up the corners of the strap, but now nothing scares me anymore. I can already tell this is gonna be another amazing fit. Yes. Yes, Lord. That, wow. That's fantastic. It doesn't get any better than this. This is really great. Such a great color combo for steel and gold. And the brown is nice. The leather feels fantastic. Stitching is on point, it's perfect. So this tapers down to 18 from 22, so it's a pretty aggressive taper on that leather strap. Dang, man, these are so nice. These are really great. I think having a really nice taper on a strap just like really classes it up. Just gives it that look that you want. And this brown with the steel and gold is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so these are legit. I like them a lot. I think the leather on these are definitely worth the money. I think the construction and the overall functionality, same level of quality that Artem always provides with their products. And these are no different. And for a leather strap with a convenient deployant clasp, they're pretty dope. I am an Artem affiliate. If you support me, support the channel, you can use my affiliate link in my video description. That will kick me back some money. That'd be much appreciated if you are interested in getting these. And as always, thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, please hit me in the comments. I will be here to answer them. If you haven't already, please like and sub. Would really appreciate that. I gotta get ready for this wedding I gotta go to, so I'll see you on the next video. Peace.